Florida runs the largest school choice ecosystem in the country, and every provider in it gets paid through one nonprofit, Step Up for Students, tutors, therapists, microschools, curriculum sellers. If you want Florida's scholarship families as customers, one application unlocks them. Here's the whole process, start to finish. Start at stepupforstudents.org and open the provider application. You'll submit your business details, banking information for payouts, and any credential your service legally requires. A teaching certificate. A therapy license. Watch the vetting rules. Step Up denies handwritten or unofficial documents, and your first and last name must appear on every invoice you ever submit. After approval, Step Up schedules an onboarding kickoff call and walks you through account setup. Choose how you get paid next. Direct pay means you send an itemized invoice and the family approves it against their scholarship balance. Step Up deposits the money, typically 5 to 7 business days after approval. Or you list products on the MyScholarShop marketplace and fulfill orders. What you want to avoid is the reimbursement path. Reimbursement reviews can run up to 60 days, and if a request is held for missing documentation, the clock restarts. Complete paperwork isn't bureaucracy here, it's cash flow. So, apply, take the kickoff call, set up direct pay, and invoice with every required field the first time. The free invoice generator at GetESAPaid.com builds step-up compliant invoices in about a minute, no sign-up. There's also a free checker that reads your invoice like a reviewer before you submit. Links below. Get approved and get paid.